Today we're going to be checking out a 12-volt 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery from WattCycle, and it is a Group 24 and it is geared towards trolling motors. Dimensions right down here, and this battery does weigh in at 23.15 pounds. This battery is also IP67 rated, so that means it is water resistant, dust resistant, and salt spray resistant. A couple of other things about this battery is that it is a smart edition battery, so you will have the ability to download an app and be able to see a little bit more information about the battery. And also it has cold temperature charging protection, and it is 13.22, which is perfect. And you can see right down here that the capacity is actually 103.05 amp hours, which is 3% over the rated capacity of the battery. All right, well, it's been 5 minutes, and you can see that this WattCycle battery actually powered 130 amps without any issue whatsoever. The battery is still relatively cool. There's no hot spots. All the connections are nice and room temperature, so we have no issues. So let's go ahead and introduce another 1,000 watts and see what happens when this thing goes over 200 amps. Here we go, starting now. And if you look at the app, it is 232 amps and the battery shut down. So the battery performed very well with that small test right there. Plugged in, and I've got my amp clamp set to maximum amperage capture. All right, started. All right, it started it up. And my amp clamp captured 379 amps. So that's why it's the trolling motor edition. And the nice thing about what WattCycle did is they actually put together a dedicated manual for the app. So that makes it super easy to download on your iPhone or your Android phone and set up. There's no questions asked.